Hey guys, welcome to another lesson. Today we would like to share some secrets about connection. Let's get started. Okay, so there is a two type of connection we like to use. So one connection we call it giving. So when we give each other our spine weight, body weight, some people call it pushing. We like to call it giving, but you can call it push because there is a pushing sensation. And another type of connection, it's taking. It's more on the hook, on the pull. So this is in, out, give, take, push, pull. So which of this connection the most useful? So in our opinion, you wanna, as you start dancing, dance as much as possible on the give, especially for the ladies when you're going backward. So the first thing actually when we start, is we give each other spine weight, our hip weight, our body weight. And just simply by having our arm in front, we can sense and feel each other. And we like with Kristina to rock a little bit and feel that is enough weight. And for every person it will be a little bit different. And now what is very important that as we start moving, our spines are moving in sync with each other. So how we can achieve this synchronicity? So we practice a lot doing this exercise. We give each other hands with a high 10 position, exercise hall, and at this position, Kristina's heel is up, my heel is up. And what we try to feel that our spines, by being already connected together, so we already feel quite a lot of pressure here. Oops. By moving my spine, I put her heel down. And now, when she moves forward, moving her spine, it puts my heel down. So in this case, we're totally in control and rely on each other body weight transferring to connect our body weights, our spines together. What next we'll do? We will disconnect one arm, we'll have this high five arm, do the same exercise, rocking. And the next is gonna be more professional hold, when the man gives arm like a table and we connect still our spines. It's not only arms, and we try to being aware not only of the body of the other person, but of the how fast, how slow the heel goes down. And by Kristina moving forward, my heel goes down, I move forward, I put her heel down. And it's everything on the give, 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 give. So by doing that, of course, when we were connected, we can start dancing some figures. Let's take Ramba, the easiest one. So we connect our spines together on the give. And now, as exercise, we try to stay always together on the give 2, and on the give 3, and on the give here 4, 1, and still on the give, and on the give 2. So we constantly feel that pushing sensation towards each other, and especially here when we separate to defend position, give. Okay, once you practice this enough on the give, feeling each other, you can start playing to create a little bit more volume, to produce a little bit more beauty in the female's leg. So how can we develop that? For example, here we start with that giving, and of course before we do that we have that two spines connected already, but here man can actually pass his own arm to approach girl a little bit closer, but she's still on the give, closer, and from here with his body he can send her on the very strong far away hooking position, where she can go slightly off balance, finish her foot position, walk to bring her back again into very powerful give. And now if she's coming so close, so deep in, after that as she's doing hip twist, we like to go actually on a little bit hooking feel, slightly off balance, and from here we can actually syncopate and get a little bit more volume and power and combine all these movements together. So use your two type of connections and check our amazing learning platform where we share all the best secrets, especially for you. It's right here. And see you next time. Oleg and Kristina.
Please go to dancewitholeg.com, as you see here, and then click video courses. I would like to introduce our 2-week challenge. As you see here, if you click here, what is this about? So it's every day for the 2 weeks, you will learn the principles for the Latin technique. And you can see here there is a day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. So in this 2-week challenge, you will understand the Latin technique principles. And I strongly advise you to practice day by day. So on day 1, work, let's say here we have a pendulum. Day 2, work on your leg passing, compression. And every day here, I do a small resume for what happened in the previous days. So in this case, you can retain information and really create a strong change. So please check my online programs and see you next time.